Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this butterfly cutout from Dollar Tree. I painted the back of it as well as the sides with barnwood acrylic paint by Folkart. Next I'm taking these half round wood beads that I got from Amazon. One is 15 millimeter, the other 4 are 12 millimeter, and I paint them with that same color. Next I am using this scrapbook paper I got from Temu, and I put some masking tape on the back of it, and then once I have it into place, I push down the tape just so it stays where I want the pattern to be on the butterfly. And then trace that out and cut it. I then add a layer of Mod Podge to the unfinished side of the butterfly. I then place down the scrapbook paper and get it all lined up how I want it and smooth it out with my hands, and then use my heating tool to dry that layer of Mod Podge. And then go around and sand off any excess paper. And then cover with a layer of Mod Podge on top of the paper. Next, I take my painted beads and put them down the center of the butterfly, the largest one on the top, and then the smaller ones below. Once I have them lined up, I remove one and add some hot glue and place that back down. And then you take the rest off, add a line of hot glue, and then place them back down. And then take this paper covered wire I got from Amazon, and I didn't measure how big of a piece I cut. I just cut a piece, folded it in half, and then twisted where it was folded, and then each of those pieces that are separated, I loop that around a paintbrush handle. Then just remove the handle and spread those out how I want them, and hot glue the part that I had looped at the bottom to the back of the butterfly. Next, I'm taking this dowel I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting it down to size. Again, I didn't measure, I just went by how tall I wanted the butterfly to be. And this is 0.36 inch. I sand down the end of it that I had cut to make sure that it fits with inside this wooden wheel that I got from Hobby Lobby. I place the dowel inside the wheel and get it in there nice and snug, and then add some hot glue into the bottom to keep it into place, and then paint that entire thing with the same barnwood color. The last thing I do is add some hot glue to the back of the butterfly and place down the dowel. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.